here I can go to find out my ceiling plan. Here I can go to find out my ceiling architectural, and you can able to find the ceiling. As usual, you can able to find 600 by 600 or 600 by 1200 as per your wish. You can able to apply, and after that here you can able to see automatic and sketch. But here it's automatic is not showing because we are not close this one, so it's automatic is not getting the boundary. So you can able to go to find the sketch. Here you can choose your rectangular. Here you can able to put it around 300 offset. I can click somewhere here, and after that you can just press space bar and apply. So now you can able to see this 300 gap is available here, right? Okay, now you can able to see this one. So this is your ceiling you created like this way. So if you want, you can just select select your ceiling, because this one is always in our window level, so you can go for around 3000, right? So it's looking like this. Okay, right. Okay, so it's look like this. So see, for example, now how you can able to use your component family, and how you can able to create some support from here. So we can able to draw that support. See, for example, now you can able to go to find out your modeling place. Okay, you can go to find out ceiling, because we need the ceiling like little bit different way. You can go to find out the ceiling here. Okay, you can just mention the name. Same thing, you can able to go to find out your sweep. Select the big path 1, 2 and the 3. Apply. Now you can able to select in the elevation, so north. Here you can able to find out the fine, and you can go to find out the wireframe. So now you can able to see your wall and everything. Now you can go to find out, select again the pick path to get the profile. Okay, start the profile like line, or if you want, you can able to find out one rectangle or something. It's up to you. You can just draw like, oh, I can draw the line first, so I can get it from here, and I can apply here. So again, I think I have to find out this thickness of the ceiling. It's 52. So you can able to collect from your offset and take it from 52 to select somewhere here, select somewhere here. Okay, now you can able to connect these two, and you should be connect these two also, right? Now you can able to go to find out your trim, and you can able to find out like this. So this is the way you can able to get it this profile. Now you can able to go back to your 3D view, and you can just apply this one, so you can able to see this. Now it's look like this model you created. Okay, you created the model like this way. So based on this, you can understand in as your project how you can able to find out these things, right? Not only this, now I can just go for select and go to edit boundary. Here you can able to see, I can go to find out one more line somewhere here. Okay, just I need to take a middle. So now I can go to find out the circle, and I can able to see this, check it in the mid point, and I can go for 1200 mm opening. Okay, so I just create done. So after that, what happened, you can able to see this one. So 1200 opening was I created from here, because I cut that area. Now I can go back to again my ceiling. Okay, now I just remove this section, because I don't want this section. Even this section also I don't want. So this is my ceiling opening part. Now I can go back to my again I can go to find out my component. Okay, so otherwise I can go back to my ceiling, straight away ceiling. Okay, now I can put it 2600 and I can go for the sketch ceiling, so I can able to sketch it. So if you want, I can one select and one select here, so I can lock. Now what happened, now you can able to see here, see this is my 3000, this is 1200 ceiling. So in this ceiling I can go to find out like a plain ceiling. Okay, I can go to find out like a plain ceiling. So if you want, I can go to find out this one also, I can change it like a plain ceiling. Okay, right. So it's look like this. So how I can able to create this join from here? So first of all, what you have to do it first, you can go for one section, you can draw one section somewhere here and go to the section. Here you can able to see this is your ceiling, this is your another ceiling. So you can find out that is maybe around 400 the distance, because this one and this one 332, so you can just go for here to here 380, right? So here, so as usual what you can able to do it, you can go to find out the component modeling place, you can find out the ceiling category. Okay, apply. Now you can able to go for again the sweep command and you can go find to the pick path 1 and you can able to select 2. So now you have a 2 pick path and you can able to finish it. Again you can go back to your north view or you can go for the south view, so which is your visibility is correct way, you can able to go to find out as your wish, right? So don't forget, you should be go to find and take the wireframe. So now you can able to see this is your upper, this is your plan. Now you can go to find out, select this one to go to add. Now if you want, you can just go for one like this command, any support, you can just go for any support like this and apply. So now you can able to apply this one, so you can see, so it will be coming from like this. So if you want, you can just increase from here, so you can able to create like, so if you want, you can able to edit that one to up little bit, right? So this is the way we can able to create our ceilings or something, anything you can able to create. Like when you use these things, you can able to find out like this thing. So this is the easiest way you can design your ceiling as per your project, how you can able to adjustable or you can able to did anything as per this. So if you want, you can edit, you can just go for edit here. Again, don't forget, you should be select again this line, so you can go for edit sweep. So this is your this one, your profile, you can go for edit profile. So if you want, you can just move it. So this is 342, so I can go for 380, I think. So I can apply the 380. Now I can apply here. See, now it's showing like this one. If you want, you can go for 400 also, you can able to change it. So this is the way we can able to apply this one. So even here also you can able to select your model category and everything, you can able to draw. So now I can go back to my level 1 and I can just select the model to go to section box, and here I can able to just move it. Now you can able to see how this one was created from here. So this is the way we can work on like model in place, and we can able to apply the categories and we can apply from our model. Okay.